Hi, this is Leo, and we're going to take a look at Brainscape. Brainscape is a great website for flashcards, and when you're on the website, you can browse flashcards that were made by others. You can make your own flashcards, and they even have a really nice phone app that you can download. That way you can have flashcards on the go. For this tutorial, we're going to log into our account here, and I registered one with my ISD31 Gmail account. Once you get in here, you have a few options. First one you have is create, and this is to create a class. So we're going to create a new class. We'll do art class. And once this loads in here, it's going to show up in the middle of the screen, but it shows that I have no decks in this class. That means I haven't made any flashcards for it. I'm going to go create deck. We'll call this deck warm and cool colors. And after it's saved here, we can start adding our cards. On this page, you're just going to do a question answer, so the front and back of your flashcards. And we'll keep this real easy for the tutorial. I'm going to put the color on one side, and if it's warm or cool on the opposite side. We'll do one more here. Okay, so once we're all finished, we can save the deck. And once it's been saved, you'll see a little pop-up box at the bottom there, and we can start studying. When we click Start Studying, this is what it's going to look like to students too if you share it with them. So it says blue, reveal answer, and if they feel like they got it perfect, they can go to 5, and if they didn't get it so perfect, they can go not at all. So we're going to click 5 for the first one. Reveal answer, got it again, go to perfect. Now the last one here, let's get this one wrong on purpose. So let's say I thought, oh, it's a warm color. Well, the flashcard set was cool, I didn't get it, so I'm going to go not at all. So now that I've completed each of these, I have 73% mastery. When I'm all done, I can click done. This will bring me back to the main page here. And I can see that I have 73% mastery in it. And the other option I have is to share it with the class. So I can share this one here any way that I want to. And I can also make it private if I need to do that. And I also have an option to see all learners. That way whoever I shared it with, I can see what their mastery is on each deck. So hopefully that gives you a little idea of how to get started. And when you have some time, you can poke around a little bit and see what else you can do with Brainscape.